must be Don.
Hey, yep, Don. Don?
Yeah.
Nice meeting you, Don.
Nice meeting you.
All right, so this is your baby right here.
That's the right thing, yeah.
All right.
Well, I lost my keys in the hospital.
Oh, okay. Okay,
Here's
for
my
sure.
driver's license.
Okay. All right, give me no more. Okay, give me no more than like an hour. I should have everything set for you.
Okay.
All right. Okay, so we went ahead and cut the key. See if it works in the door. Yep. Cool. See if it works in the ignition. Cool. Start. Yes. Okay. So after time and time again, I didn't try it. I finally got a key program. It was 4D60, not 4D63. Man, that's crazy. So we're gonna learn the next key. Go here. Generate transponder. 4D60, generic, generate. This is the key. Generate transponder complete. Hit yes. Learning successful. Current number of keys is 4. Do you want to learn next key? No. Escape. Actually, we're just going to exit out all this. Then put this down. Now we should be able to start the car up. Moment of truth, y'all. Got some good news. I got it to start.
Oh,
Yeah.
fantastic.
Yeah, I got 2 keys too for you.
Already?
You want to give it a try?
Sure.
Test it out. All right.
Have you got a business card?
Yep, I left one in the dash too for you right there too.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I can give you some more too.
I don't mind putting you on giving you a good rating.
Oh, thank you. I appreciate it because I've been trying to get it up.
Hey, man, I got a car back. Boy, is that nice.